Look at another monster. Wow, it's really huge. I think it's a mangrove tree in the middle of a hike. Look at what the rain has done to this poor tree. And there's the trail down there, and the tree was alongside the trail and was uprooted. I don't even know which way is up, which way is down. Oh, it's not upside down. It was just pushed downhill a little bit. Oh man. I think I have 1 kilometer left before seeing the mangrove forest. Look at the shelter. It was hit by a falling tree and it just collapsed. This is the end of the Kabili trail. There's one closed hotel. On my way, met a Japanese girl. We were the only 2 people who have made this far, and she gave me 1 bottle of water. She gave me 1 bottle of water. I was worried because I was running out of water. I had this much, and I have 9 kilometers on my way back. She gave me this much more. I see if I can get more water. I heard there was a man somewhere behind this closed hotel. Let me see if I can find him. Okay, I'm inside the Mangrove National Park, whatever it's called. It's pretty nice. They built this wooden pathway. I didn't expect to see this. I guess these are all mangrove trees. After 9 kilometers of walk, oh, mangrove reception. This is another closed hotel. I wonder why these hotels are closed. Where are we? No idea. There are different categories of mangroves. Wow, there's no one there. There's a butterfly. Some oddly shaped mangrove trees. What a great day. What's this for? I guess people used to swim here. Don't see any animals. Wow, this place is huge. This used to be a charcoal production region. I was attacked by leeches when I stopped to talk to the Japanese girl. Those leeches just started climbing up from my shoe to my socks and to my ankles. I was bitten and yeah, I was bleeding actually. Let's see. I'm still bleeding. I don't know if I should do anything about it, but I guess it's worth it. Looking at these mangrove trees. At the very end of the mangrove forest, there is a building. I guess some people live here. Well, let's see. Oh, beautiful. Oh, jellyfish. I see jellyfish in the water. Blue jellyfish. Two more over there. Thank you.
Okay.
Wow, that one is big. Can I have that one?
Yeah, can.
Okay. Is this from the water
Yeah.
here? Oh, you caught another one.
Only one.
Is there a farm? You raise it. You raise the crabs yourself.
Yep.
Okay. Very tasty. Hunting for more crabs?
Yeah.
Hunting for more crabs? Oh, wow. One big one, two small.
Yeah.
Oh, thank you for having me. Thank you for having me.
Oh, thank you for money.
Yeah. I gave him as well. So yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Take care.
Yeah. What are those blue things called in the water? They swim. Jellyfish.
Yeah, jellyfish.
Blue jellyfish?
Yeah, blue jellyfish.
Oh, amazing. Okay, have a good one.
Okay.